Here's how to add confetti to your Showit page. First off, create a custom confetti animation and generate the code to install on your website by visiting ConfettiPage.com. It's free. Con- Click the black button that says Copy Code, go to showit.com, then click on Open Design App. This will open a new tab for you. Now click on Site and under Pages, choose the page you want to add or put your animation to. In the example shown, we will choose Home to go to the editor. Now click Page beside Site to choose where you will be pasting the code you copied earlier. In this case, we will choose Email Opt-in Form. Now hover your mouse on top of the square icon below your screen and click on Embed Code. Double-click on the Embed Code box, and this will open another box where you will be able to paste in the confetti code next. This is what it will look like. Use the text shortcut Control V for Windows or Command V for Mac to paste the code you copied from ConfettiPage.com earlier. Once you see the confetti code pasted into the box, go ahead and click on Save. To see the confetti animation in action, test it out by clicking the preview button on the upper right corner. And if you did all the steps I mentioned earlier correctly, the confetti code will work. Congratulations! By the way, if you are using the free version, you will see the ConfettiPage.com branding appear at the bottom left. If you would like it removed, simply pay for a license to use it without the watermark.